Happy Wednesday!
Happy Wednesday!
Is it June 4th? Or is that yesterday?
I think it's the 5th.
I don't know. Whatever. I mean, girls, what day is it? June 5th?
Wednesday.
June 6th. Wow. Was I 2 days off? Possibly? I think it's just wishful thinking. I was hoping it was only June 4th. But anyway, happy Wednesday, June 5th from the Magic Kingdom bus stop here at Pop Century. June 6th. Thank you for correcting me. I'm terrible at that. But we are waiting on a bus to go to the Magic Kingdom. We have... Yeah, it's a little bright out here today. We have fast passes for Buzz, Space Mountain, Seven Dwarfs, and then breakfast, or lunch at Be Our Guest.
Yep, and dinner.
Probably one last time before it becomes a table service.
And then dinner at Chef Mickey.
Yes, and then back to the Magic Kingdom. We're probably going to be out all day, girls. You okay with that?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Because I threatened them with an inch of their life if they weren't okay with it.
So Mom's already had the conversation?
Already had the conversation.
Thank you, Mom.
They got to relax most of all day yesterday. So.
Mom's the enforcer. You know what? They may have taken away the Tomorrowland music from me this trip. That's fine. I still got Main Street USA music. That's a close second for me here at Magic Kingdom. It's a favorite. So over here is where the Tron ride is going to go. The Tron ride. Yeah. Whenever it comes around. And look, see the lights are on Space Mountain.
Blast off on a high-speed outer space adventure and careened in
You can tell when these emergency lights are on. The lights are on Space Mountain. So I guess it's not so rare to get the lights on Space Mountain anymore because it breaks down all the time, maybe?
Look at it.
Wonder if there's anybody stuck on it like last time.
Oh, that happened.
Tom Morrow. Meet Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
Yeah, you're the only one recording right now, too. You're not the only one. Say hi. Recording too, just to show friends. What? I need them to be jealous.
Well, they're not going to be jealous because you're riding with me.
Oh no, they're going to be jealous. They have the Disney World.
Mr. Tom Morrow.
Look at that up there. You see all of that.
Oh, yeah, I see. Oh.
I do have sharp eye. Oh, I almost
Oh, yeah, don't lose your ears.
Yeah, I know. I can't. That is pretty cool.
Well, I don't see a train stuck on there anywhere, do you? So they got all the people off, thankfully. Please fix it soon. We want to go on our fast pass. All right, we made it over to Splash Mountain, and look, Ma, we're gonna be on TV.
It's raining. It's raining.
You're gonna get wet, as the great Stacy says. Yes.
Yes, great thing.
Lori,
You're gonna get wet.
you gotta look in the camera and do it.
You're gonna get wet. Yes. Get me off of this log, please.
You're gonna stay here forever and ever and splash, no. I think we can tell.
We already got a little bit of it. Not much.
We almost got it.
Stop jumping around, you'll run out of breath. Why don't you sit back and calm yourself? You can carry on now if you must. Really want me like close. That's your chance. I don't. Time to move along. Now's the chance to set a trap.
I know exactly what you're doing. Any animatronic is not lunch.
Uh-oh, Allison. Here comes the drop. Here comes the drop.
Well, we're gonna get wet. Not that we sat in the back like we did on Pirates. That's because we pushed out of that.
I think we're gonna get wet. Are you sure you didn't get drenched?
Yes. You got a little bit wet there. Not a lot.
I got it a little bit. Allison probably got it the worst.
Yeah!
Yeah, if you ride Splash Mountain, you may not want to be on the right-hand side just for this. Ah, great.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh. Looks like there's a bit of a backlog.
A little bit. There's boats in front, boats behind.
Do you get it?
Backlog.
Backlog.
Bad.
What was that?
Bad. I made the best face you could ever make on here.
Did you like my backlog joke? I'll be here I'll be here till Saturday, folks. We're here at Be Our Guest, waiting for our lunch. We just got in. We came in a little early because it's going to storm outside, so
You should have seen
we're running from the rain. But guys, make sure if you get a lunch reservation, at Be Our Guest, make sure you pre-order. Because if you pre-order your food, you only have to stand in this line. If you don't, you have to stand in that line. There's a big difference between that line and this line.
Yeah.
And I think they got us in early. We came in like 20 minutes early. I think they got us in because we pre-ordered. I mean, that might help. But
That'd be my guess.
there's the cashier over there. And the cashier for that line is in that next room around to the left. So save yourself some time for sure. Hello.
Hi.
We're here in the library. Is that what this is? Where's the books?
I know, I wondered that. It's called the library, but where are the books?
Just look at that. Would you look at that?
Look at that.
Just
look at
Just
it.
look at that. Just look at it.
Why are there two of these? Because we had to do
We had
separate
two
orders.
orders.
Because we had the snacks, we had
The meals.
regular meals, and then we paid out of pocket for the kids' meal, the soda.
Oh,
Hi.
bonjour.
We have
So most of our food is here. I got the roast beef sandwich with the green bean. How do you pronounce it?
green beans,
Jardine. Jardine. Nailed it.
and Allison's going to eat my fries, and I'm going to eat the chicken noodle soup at Jillian's.
You got the roast beef sandwich
Yep.
with the pomme frites.
Pommes frites.
Pomme frites.
Pommes frites.
You have to trill the R like in frites.
I'm so lucky I'm not taking a French class next year.
Well, you don't need to. We'll just teach you everything you need to know. I took
What do you know?
0 years of French. Everything I know came from Beauty and the Beast. Isn't that
Just
really?
utterly nothing.
Isn't that really all that you need in the end?
Yeah, whenever you're having a Spanish
what is
final,
that,
just watch Dora the Explorer.
Hey, that works.
Oh God.
Hey, what's that? The triple chocolate cupcake?
Mm-hmm.
And look, the Master's cupcake with the gray stuff for the little one.
Allison said, wait, they have French in high school? And I said, yes. And she got very excited. And I said, why? She said, if I'm going to move to Vancouver or Quebec,
Quebec. Yeah, we learned all about Quebec in O Canada from Martin Short. Canada, my Canada.
Voice of an Angel, folks.
She loves this song.
I'm glad you finally are agreeing.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, agreed.
Well, I'm gonna eat. We're hungry.
Okay. All right, so we took a little break, and now we took advantage of another Fast Pass
4 fast passes.
at
Our
Small
fourth.
World,
Small
which
World.
in a million years I can't believe we need a Fast Pass for
Saved us
Small
like
World.
20 minutes or so.
Yeah, okay. So, how's this work, babe? We're getting ready to walk, so you have to bear with me
Is
there.
that my good side? Well, what you do,
Well, maybe that side.
well, just make sure that after you redeem your third fast pass, or your fourth or your fifth, that you go in and get another one.
Like immediately,
Right
the minute you scan your band.
Yeah, like we scanned our band up there for our fourth for here at Small World, and we're still in line for Small World. So now I'm going to go in and schedule a 5th fast pass. What do we want?
I don't know. What do we want?
Well,
Oh my gosh, nothing. The girls wanted you to do.
there's a lot of options.
Yeah, but what did the girls? 825 Pirates. They wanted to do
505 at Pirates.
Yeah, but we have dinner.
It's at like 5:50.
Oh, I thought it was at 5:30. Okay, if it's at 5 something, that's fine.
See, it's at 5:05. We can.
Okay,
So now,
but that'll probably be the last one for the night, really.
well, after we do this, we'll schedule a 6th.
If they are
For
available.
later.
If
For
they're
later.
available.
Yeah.
We don't know if they'll be available, but we'll try.
Yeah. See, there's our.
5:55. Oh, well then we've got time. Okay, so we're gonna ride Pirates at 5 o'clock. Okay.
Update. So there's Pirates at 5:05.
Yep.
We'll do that, and then we'll get on. Then we'll exit, get on the monorail, and head over to the Contemporary. All right, just got done with Pirates. Now headed to front of the park to exit. We're gonna hop on the monorail, the Resort Loop monorail, over to the Contemporary for our Chef Mickey dinner. You guys excited? Hungry? Getting hungry again?
We've never done Chef Mickey dinner.
For dinner, yeah. Nothing. We've always done it for breakfast, which is fun. So this will be a interesting switch.
Oh, hi!
Hey, pal. How are you today?
Yeah, thank you.
Hope you're having a great day.
Yeah, everything is delicious.
Yes, absolutely.
The best meal. You know it's the best meal on property, right? Yes, absolutely.
It's the most. Well, it's certainly the most fun place.
Yeah. Well, this is why he's made by the one. Hey, are you keeping Donald out of trouble? Is he? Well, look.
Donald's chased. He chased a little kid. Who does that?
with him?
Who chases kids?
Donald? Yeah, you're absolutely right.
I think he was pretending they were Chip and Dale.